In this session, we are going to see some sample programs on string buffer class. We saw various methods in the string buffer class, and I'm going to tell you as to how the string buffer class methods can be used in our program. So it's a big program, just watch it to see how it works. Shall we? The program that you see on the screen is on the string buffer. There is the public static void main, but you can note that I have not imported the java.io class because it's not needed. I'm not taking any kind of input from the user. These are all static inputs that I've given, so I don't have to import it. But the rest of the classes, like this string buffer class, the string class, all these belong to the java.lang package. And as you know, the lang package is imported automatically, so we don't have to do it explicitly. So that's why I've just directly initialized my class strbuf. Now the string buffer, I am initializing a variable yes, an object. I'm creating an object with a new string buffer of 10 characters. In the first case, I am just printing system.out.println. The capacity of yes is plus .yes.capacity. This was the first method that we saw in the string buffer class. So it will just return the capacity of the string s. Now I'm creating an object s1 for the string buffer class, and this is a constructor. I passed hi as the value, and the string buffer s2 is another object for the string buffer class, in which I have passed another parameter welcome. Now let's go into the actuals of the program and the methods. The first is system.out.println. The capacity of s2 is plus s2.capacity, and the default capacity value is 16, so that it can be added to the given string. So whatever is here will be added to the given string. Okay. Now the next is the system.out.println append string. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the append method to append this particular string with s1. What's there in object s1? If you see, the word hi is there, so how are you is going to be appended with s1, and what is going to be shown on the screen is hi, how are you. The next line, there is an append object. I have appended the second object s2 with the first object s1. What is there in s2? It's welcome. But now what is there in s1? S1 has already been appended, so it is hi, how are you, and welcome. So all these three will be now shown in the print screen. Next we have an append string. In this I am going to insert. I am using the insert method with s1. The s1 should read as hi, how are you, welcome, and from the third letter I am going to insert the character students. So as you can see, I have inserted a particular value in between from the third. So how will the output read? It will read as hi students, how are you, welcome. Now I am creating another string buffer s3, and I am passing the value 361dm. You know what 361dm is, right? Okay. And now I am going to append the string s1. So what is there in s1? But this is not append, I am doing an insert operation over here. This is the insert method. The s1 from the third and the s3, that is, this is going to be inserted here. So it's going to be hi, and then you will have what you call the students. Then the students will not be there, so hi 361dm students, how are you, welcome will be the message that you will see. Now if you see, I have initialized a character array, char ch with an array. The ch is the name of the char variable as an array, and I've passed values for the character ch array. In this you can see programmer given in separate single quotes, and this is how a character is to be initialized, as we saw in the previous sessions. But you can also see that I have initialized a null value next to the programmer. Now I am writing append string s1 dot insert. So whatever is there in s1, this value is going to be inserted from the 0th position. The character ch, that is 0 to 7 characters, is going to be inserted. So what are the 7 characters? P, R, O, G, R, A, M. These 7 characters are going to be inserted from into the string s1. And now we are going to use the delete method. In this we are deleting the caret we are using the delete caret method of 5. So in the first letter you had P, R, O, G, R, A, M. In this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the delete is the index value. So A will be deleted from program, and it will just read as PROG RM and the S1 string. Now the last thing is we are going to delete the string from 0 to the 6th position. Therefore all these characters will be deleted. So once again you will come back to the same S1 character like hi 361 DM students, how are you, welcome will be the message that will read. And then here I am introducing another string buffer object S4. In that I have passed a parameter Malayalam. If you see Malayalam, the first M is a caps and the last M is lowercase, because I am going to reverse the string, and when I reverse it you should know how the output is going to look like. Therefore it's going to read like this, and that is going to make the difference to say that this particular word is going to be a palindrome. Now I have printed the S4 string also. Now this is what we are going to see. Let's compile this program and see how it works. As you can see, the first is the capacity of S is 10. This is what we see. S is equal to new string buffer of 10, which means that 16 has been overridden by this value 10. Now the memory capacity is not 16, but on the other hand is 10. Therefore it says that the capacity of S is just 10. The S1 value is high. We have passed a string, and as I told you in the previous session, this will be added along to the 16 characters. Now you see that it shows that the capacity of S1 is 19. The string buffer S2 welcome, there are 7 letters, so 16 plus 7 is 23, and that is what you see on the screen as 23. Now we are going to append the string S1 dot append of how are you. What's there in S1? Just look at the top where S1 has been initialized. You can see that S1 equal to hi, and it's going to be appended with how are you. So how will it read? It will read as hi, how are you, and that is what you see here. And the next one we say S1 dot append of S2. What is there in S2? It's welcome. So the append character will always be at the end of the string. So the first string, that is S1, whatever is there in S1 is hi, how are you. S2, it's welcome. Therefore it reads hi, how are you, welcome. So welcome is appended with hi, how are you. The next one we've seen that S1 dot append of S2. We are appending two objects, S1 and S2. What is there in S1? Hi, how are you. And what is there in S2? Welcome. and that is what you see over here. It says, hi students, hi, how are you, welcome. And in the next case, we are appending an object, we are inserting an object, like say it says S1 dot insert from 3 students, and this is what it reads. It says, hi students, how are you, welcome. And now we have initialized S3 and we have passed the value 361dm, and now the append string S1 dot insert from third S3. So it reads, hi 361dm students, how are you, welcome. Now if you see, I have done this programmer character which I said, and this is what is happening here. We append from the 0th position the character array, the CH array. This is what we see here. From 0 to 7 characters is what we have done. Therefore it reads, program, hi 361dm students, how are you. Now we are going to delete the character S1 at 5, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, this A has been taken off, right? And now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A, and 5 has been taken off here, and we are going to delete the string from 0 to 6, and that's why it's been deleted. We come back to hi 361dm students, how are you, welcome. And in this case we have reversed this particular term Malayalam, and you can see on your screen the first M is in the lowercase and the last M is in the uppercase, which goes on to prove that your string has been reversed, but however it reads the same. And this is a classic example of a palindrome. And now I have just printed whatever was there in S1, and that is hi 361dm students, how are you, welcome. So this is how we use the different methods in the string buffer class, and I hope that you would have learned how to use these methods. Try to use these methods in programs, try to use palindromes, check various palindromes, see if the given word is a palindrome, get the input from the user, and try to do these methods by taking an input from the students and then taking that input and passing it on to an object, and then doing these operations on the objects, which will be given as an assignment. So do this as an assignment, and I'm quite sure you'll understand what string buffer is all about. So till such time we meet again, it's thank you and goodbye.